kaunti.
Maminista Musalia Mudavadi na Simon Cherugui mugite thirikari ni eheanite guteithiriria onjoria na arimi anini na kumahinyiriria kuhĩmbĩria ũndũire wa kũiga mũthithũ ni ũndũ wa matuko ma rũciũ.
The power of cooperatives is so strong, and many economies, even in the developed world, countries like Denmark, these are countries that are just on the foundation of a cooperative dream.
We want to encourage Kenyans, even those doing very small and medium businesses, to save. Bila kuweka hasina hatutaenda mbali.
Investment is the way. Even if you save without investing, you cannot go far. Let us concentrate in seeing how we are going to invest every coin for these members.
Maugite honge cia wonjoria na urimi nicio ihĩmbĩirio makĩria ni andu aria maigithĩtie na thothaitĩ makiuga thirikari iricemba gucinyitirira na kumahura njeki. Maritie hindi ya igongona ria kuhingura mwako wa Tower Sacco tauni-ini ya Olkarau kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua kuria magathiririe arutani na andu aria maigithĩtie thothaitĩ-ini iyo iria iri na utonga wa makiria ma shilingi bilioni 20.
Hatuwezi tukapiga sufuria kwa kichwa na tukitembea kwa barabara. Ni lazima tuwe na mipango kama hii ya Tower Sacco ndio tubadilishe taifa letu.
The dairy cooperative subsector in the county is the most developed and vibrant among the cooperatives in agricultural value chains.
Atongoria a kaunti ya Nyandarua mahinyiririe thirikari ĩingĩrĩre na kũhatũra ndĩri ya iria ya Olkarau ĩrĩa ĩrĩ kĩgeri-inĩ gĩa gũtahwo nĩ kwaga kũrĩha ngombo cia bengi.
Olkarau dairy is going down. I know the government is able to do something. Please, through the cabinet secretary for cooperatives, please tuangalilie how haya maneno.
Na unajua your excellency, watu wanasema tu hawajui Olkarau dairy. The value we as a people we attach to Olkarau dairy. Olkarau dairy iko na wakulima 60,000 ambao ni members wa Olkarau dairy. Usipoingilia your excellency, hapa 2 weeks ikikuja dairy yetu itaanguka. Hasara ambayo sisi kama wakulima tutapata ni kuwa tumenunua pale mtambo ya shilingi 1,300 iko pale ndani.
Giriboti Inooro TV kuma Olkarau guku ni kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua njitagwo Peter Mwangi.